Hiya. I'm guessing you want to create video ads that actually work without all that guesswork. And you probably already know that video ads can be such a game changer for your business, but you don't really want to figure this all out on your own, yeah? Because that is the hard part. But listen, we've already worked it all out and we can make this really easy for you, okay? We've got everything that you need. Now, why you might be here is you probably love the idea of creating video ads, but you don't want to do it yourself. You know that videos work really well for building awareness. You've seen other businesses do this, and you want to bring in quality clients, okay, which is something this happens with video ads. And you also want a system that is proven to work and actually delivers results without wasting your time. Now, for the past 2 years or so, we've personally been creating a unique type of video ad system using Laurel Portier's methods that's helped thousands of business owners over the last 5 or 6 years to get better results than any of the typical funnel type ads that online marketers actually talk about. And here's the thing, we don't just help you to make and run your ads, but we actually keep you on track as well. And we actually build a full system that works for your business, okay? Everything that you need is right there, even a CRM. So what happens if you want to move forward with this? Well, the first thing you want to do is just book in a quick 10-minute call. There's a button below, or you could just send me a message if you like. So I like chatting on WhatsApp, and there's a button down there for that. And when we catch up, I'm just going to ask you 3 really simple questions, and that's just to see if this would actually work for you. Okay. And then the third thing is, if I think that it will work and it's a match, we just go ahead and get everything set up when you're ready to get it all started. Now, what happens if you really do feel like moving forward? Well, there is no guesswork. There's no overwhelm whatsoever. I'm just going to give you a really clear plan to get results. And then you have everything you need as and when you need it to start running your video ads that actually work from day one.